Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to level up first aid in Project Zomboid. The normal way to gain first aid experience is by treating injuries. Whenever your character gets hurt, open the health panel, then treat the wound by performing medical actions like disinfecting wounds, applying bandages, and replacing dirty bandages. Each medical interaction gives a small amount of first aid XP. Before grinding the skill, it's highly recommended to read the first aid skill books for large XP multipliers. One of the fastest leveling methods players use is the broken glass technique. To do this, have some tweezers, suture needle, thread, disinfectants, and bandages ready. Break a window to create broken glass on the ground. Then remove your shoes and socks and walk over the glass so shards get lodged in your feet. Open the health panel and use tweezers to remove the glass, which grants first aid XP each time. After removing the shard, another shard can appear if you're still standing on the glass, letting you repeat the process and farm experience quickly. After removing several shards, you can stitch the wound and apply a bandage for additional XP, and of course for your character's sake. And that's how you level up first aid in Project Zomboid. Thanks for watching.